Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at the Mercedes-Benz 200 from 1982, made by Norev at the 1/18 scale. This model is metallic and has opening doors, trunk and bonnet. Also we have a functional suspension and steering. Let's start in the front. The headlights look quite good. Also I like the chrome on the front bumper and the grille. One small flaw from Norev, as you can see on the Mercedes badge there, there's a small metal part that remained from the casting. Also don't worry, because Norev puts a spare badge in almost every Mercedes logo. Let's look on the side. We have the wheels, which are the center of the wheel is painted the color of the body. We have the side mirrors, which are also chromed and look quite good. Here we have the antenna, which is very fragile, so be careful with it, but which looks very good. And in the back we have the stop lights and the Mercedes logo there, which is photo etched. And also I like the chrome on this bumper. Pretty nice exterior for this model. Let's open the bonnet to see the engine. Quite a few details in the engine compartment. I like the engine, how it's made. It's plastic, but looks decent. And also have around three stickers. We have the sticker here, and also we have the sticker here, and this one here, which pop out when you look and look quite good. Let's open the doors. Of course we have side windows. The interior looks pretty good. Of course we have carpeted interior, and also we have a lot of details in the interior. I like the Mercedes logo there in the center of the wheel. Let's open the back passenger door as well. Not many details here in the back, but we have the same carpet on the floor, which looks and feels very nice. Let's close this. Open this passenger door as well. Pretty good from this side as well. Let's open the trunk. In the trunk we have the hazard there for when you are stranded, and also of course we have carpeted trunk, but it's black and not the same color as the interior. Tell me in the comments what you think about this model. I think Norev is the best money to quality model, makes the best quality models for the price range, and I think it nails every time with these Mercedes models. Also don't forget to subscribe for the channel for more videos.